we're just driving along and we came across this horse with its little foal. Oh, it was just lying on the ground and then it stood up as we stopped. Oh, look at him. Hello. Oh, there's Dave over there trying to entice him. I've got an apple in our room as well, Dave. Damn. Should have put it in the cool box. I can't do that noise. Oh, I love animals. I think I've realised on this trip how much I love being around the animals. Oh, okay, they're gone now. Oh. Did you see him trot off, Dave?
Yeah.
Well, gallop. No, trot, canter, no, trot, then canter, then gallop.
Are we on video?
Yeah. All I've got is the trees now. I'll stop now.